Ooh, today is a beautiful weather. Oh, flowers. So let's try to smell. So beautiful, and the weather also beautiful today, and really warm. And look at this, guys, so many boats I see. Wow, today I thought my father will came earlier, yeah, but let's check the time. What time is it? Yeah, so right now it's 7:22. I have time. Oh, what is this? Wow, you see that? No freaking way. Another one. Oh. Wow. Oh. No, I will first. I will take first. I'll take first. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, by the way, let's check the time. What time is it right now? Maybe I late? Oh, what? No way, it's 8:32. I have 30 minutes. I should to be at home at 9 o'clock. No. Oh. Because, oh shit, I'm really late because my father will came through the 30 minutes. No! God damn it! No! Oh shit! No! Whoa! Super! Whoa! Damn! Oh, I need to go there. Oh shit! Oh no! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Wait, no! Oh shit! Oh shit! What time is it? Oh no! It's 9:10. I'm already at home. Oh shit! Whew. It's empty. I made in time. Yes, but my mess. I'm not getting much. Oh shit!
What the fuck?
Dad!
Did you see the time?
Yeah, I saw. It's not 9. It's not 10. I late. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm.
What the fuck did you snap?
Oh, damn, yeah, I see that I'm not made it, yeah. I see that mess. Sorry, Dad.
Shut the fuck up.
Dad.